Welcome to a quick overview of the new effects plugin Q4antum, which is an essential part of the new 2.0 update of VPS Avenger. So let me quickly demonstrate the features of this plugin. As you can hear, we have a simple up pattern going on. And if we now choose the Q4antum effects, the first you hear is a normal delay with the usual parameters like filtering, stereo offset, and filtering can even feedback in the ghost queue. And where the real magic happens now is on the right screen. As you can see, you have 3 effect slots per delay, and you have 3 delay lines with each 3 effect slots, and a master effect with another 3 effect slots. So let's stay with 1 delay for the moment. And as you can see, you have some effects here to choose from. For example, a simple low-pass filter. And what you now can do is draw in an automation for this low-pass filter. Same goes for the high-pass. And so on. And you also have a dimension effect. And phaser. Each parameter can be adjusted here. For example, this is the speed of the phaser. You also can create arrhythmic patterns by decreasing the step length here. Of course, you can also change the speed. And you can also switch to an envelope. Let's switch back to the bandpass filter, for example. And now you have different modes. You can reverse the pattern, you can ping pong it, or, which I personally like very much, is shuffle, or randomize it completely. You also can bend the curves. And yeah, let's choose another effect type and switch back to the bar mode. You also have frequency modulation. Ring modulation, rate reducer. Let's choose the hard one. And an overdrive. And you have some special things like the octave here, for example. This only has 3 states. Off is in the middle, +1 octave and -1 octave. And you also have a nice stutter effect. You can see in the readout here how many stutters you will have. Down here is no. This is 2. This is 3. And you have a reverse. And of course, as I said, you can combine all these. You can have stutter and reverse. And you see they can run on different speeds. And there's also a kill feedback, which means you can work with 100% feedback and let it have it killed. Still reverse is selected, sorry. You see this is 100% feedback, and then this bar kills it. Okay, so let's show some examples with real presets. So now I have loaded a simple chord pattern. And let's turn on Quantum. This is the default, and you can choose from different presets here, which are sorted into categories like distortion, glitchy, some with heavy modulation and some really long delay lines. So let's start here. You see how this ping pongs. Let's choose another. Shifter. Let's switch to the distortion. Nice. Let's switch to the filter section. You can see how the envelope can be used with the gain, which is a simple volume effect. You can create a transgate-like opens and closes of the delay line. Okay, let's switch to another preset. Now we loaded a trans arpeggio line here. Quantum is already turned on. Now let's choose some glitchy things here. More than one delay line is active here, and even master effects. Let's show some heavy modulation presets. Like a drum beat. Reverse. sidechain effects are possible. And nice tape fake simulations. Like this one. And we also have long delay lines. And which are especially nice are these transgates here. Okay, now let's show it also on some vocals, because this works really nice on vocals which has gaps between, so the delay can take effect. Okay, here's a vocal preset from the upcoming Melodic Tech Voices 1, which should be released on the same day like Avenger 2. So let's listen to it without Quantum.
The sky is falling down, now the world is fading away. The ashes all around, slowly turning everything red. It's the apocalypse. It's the apocalypse. It's the apocalypse. The sky is falling down, now the world is fading away. The ashes all around. It's the apocalypse. It's the apocalypse. It's the apocalypse. The sky is falling down, now the world is fading away.
So, and let's show it on another vocal. Also from the upcoming Melodic Tech Voices 1.
I don't know what to feel when you are by my side. Said it would be alright. I don't know what to feel when you are by my side. You said you want to go. Said it would be alright. I don't know what to feel when you are by my side. You said you want to go. Said it would be alright.
Okay, so I hope you have an impression what you can do with this very creative new effect type of Avenger 2. If you want, you can watch our other videos for the other new effects of Avenger 2, like Bitbite, Envelope Follower, or the Ruta verb. So see you next time. Bye.